So this is a really cool gift for a birthday, a go-see, christening, something cool. I like out of the box different things. My girlfriend has this company called Memories You Wouldn't Forget, and everything is made out of wood. I think it's an adorable name for a company. So I bought this. It's really for headbands. If you can see, there's little gold hooks. But I kind of like it for a bow rack. I made one for Valentina, so I'm making one now for Isabella. So this is what I did. This is actually the second video because the first video I used this really thin ribbon and it didn't clip. It didn't hold. It slid all the way down. So I went to my scrap box and I found these pieces. Don't ever throw scraps out. Keep your scraps. So I'm going to keep the bows. I just tied little bows and I hooked it around the hook. And I'm going to throw this over it. And all I'm going to do is, you should really get a hole puncher, but oh well, don't have one. And it's really easy to go through the ribbon. I'm just going to hook it into this. I bought these little bows on Amazon. The link is below too. You can find out the exact bows that I bought. And look at how cute. You just clip it on.